In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen Instagram photos after viewing. If you've ever tapped on a disappearing photo in your Instagram messages and wished you could see it again, this guide will walk you through what's possible and how to do it correctly. First, timing matters. As soon as you viewed a disappearing photo, go back to that same chat right away. Look for the small photo thumbnail or the photo button that appears in the conversation. Tap it to replay. What you see next depends on how the sender set the message. You will usually see a small label beneath the image in the chat indicating view once or allow replay, which tells you what to expect. If you no longer see a thumbnail or photo button, that means the message has expired and can't be reopened. If the sender chose view once, Instagram allows at most 2 total views. That means you get your initial look and then a single replay from within the chat. After that second view expires, the image is removed from the thread and can't be opened again. There isn't a recovery option once it disappears. So don't leave the chat or switch apps if you plan to watch it again. If the sender selected Allow Replay, you will see a photo button in the chat after your first view. Simply tap the image to open it a second time. The same limit applies here. Once that second viewing ends, the photo is permanently gone from the conversation. Because these messages are designed to be temporary, Instagram clears them to protect the sender's privacy. Now, here is a commonly shared workaround some users try when a message is set to view once. Open the chat that contains the unopened view photo message, but hold off on tapping it. Turn on airplane mode from your device's control panel to cut off internet access. Then open and view the photo while you are offline. When you are done, fully close Instagram, swipe it away from your recent apps so it's not running in the background. Next, turn airplane mode off to reconnect. Then open Instagram again, because the app's cache was interrupted while you were offline. The image is sometimes still tappable for one additional view. Keep in mind, results vary by device and app version, and this won't always work. A few final tips: act promptly if you want that replay. Stay in the same chat to avoid missing your window. And remember that disappearing photos are meant to be short-lived. Always respect the sender's intent and privacy when using these features. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.